Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, sure.
Are you subscribed?
I think I am. I can check.
Let's see. Okay, she's subscribed. How much did your tuition cost this year?
It's like 30.
30 grand? Oh my gosh. If you flip this coin and it lands on the dollar sign, we will pay for your yearly tuition.
Okay, I'll try. I'll try my best.
I'll try, that's it.
Oh God, this is a lot.
A year's tuition. Oh! This is $10,000.
Wait,
Okay. 20 grand
It's it.
and 30.
Subscribe, Mr. Beast.